In this video, I'll show you how to set up Stripe subscriptions. First, sign into your Stripe account and open the Stripe dashboard. From the left menu, click Products and then select Add Product. Next, enter a name for your subscription and scroll down to the pricing section. Choose Recurring, enter your subscription price, and select a billing interval such as monthly or yearly. After that, click Save Product to create your subscription plan. Now, go to Payment Links and click Create Payment Link. Select the subscription product you just created and review the checkout settings. Once everything looks correct, click Create Link. Stripe will generate a subscription checkout link that customers can use to sign up and start recurring payments. Finally, copy and share the link with your customers. You can manage subscriptions, payments, and customers directly from your Stripe dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Stripe subscriptions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.